In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and align tables in Google Docs. If you're working on a document and your table is in the wrong spot, or you just want it to look cleaner and more professional, Google Docs gives you a couple of simple tools to fix that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to move a table using a cut and paste method, and then how to align the table so it sits exactly where you want it on the page. To begin, open your Google Doc and find the table you want to move. Click anywhere inside the table first. This tells Google Docs which table you're working with and helps make sure the state action as applies to the full table instead of just a single cell. Next, you'll need to select the entire table. You can do this by right-clicking inside the table and choosing Select Table if that option appears for you. If not, you can also click and drag across the whole table manually until everything is highlighted. The important part here is making sure the full table is selected before you move it. Once the table is selected, place your cursor in the location where you want the table to go. This could be higher up in the document, further down the page, or in a completely different section. Before pasting, it's a good idea to make sure there's enough space where you're placing it so the layout stays neat and easy to read. Now, paste the table into that new location. After pasting, take a quick look at the spacing around it. If needed, you can press Enter before or after the table to give it a little breathing room and improve the overall formatting of your document. Now that the table is in the right place, let's align it. Click anywhere inside the table again. Just like before, this makes sure Google Docs knows which table you want to edit. Then right-click and select Table Properties or Table Options, depending on the version of Google Docs you're seeing. These settings control how the table appears in the document, including its alignment. Under the table alignment setting, choose the position you want, left, center, or right. As soon as you select one of these options, the entire table will shift accordingly. Left alignment is useful for standard document formatting, center alignment works well when you want a balanced look, and right alignment can be helpful in certain layouts or design-focused documents. And that's it. You now know how to move a table and align it in Google Docs quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.